What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the show. We are now back in Wichita at Stutzman's Greenhouse, their Cambridge location near 21st and Webb with Ben. Ben, thanks for being with us today.
Thanks for being out here with us.
Yeah.
What a beautiful day.
A beautiful day.
Wow.
Perfect day.
Perfect day.
Always a great day when you're talking about things going on at Stutzman's. A lot of wonderful things going on throughout the summer.
You know, a lot of people think that the season is over once we get through Memorial Day, but not with Stutzman's. We have fresh material that keeps coming on through the summer months, but right now as we kind of come through Memorial Day, each store has different promos, different specials, if you would.
Yeah.
We refer to them as manager specials, and it varies from store to store, and it could even be from day to day. Sometimes it may be just a color of the plants or a particular category of plants, but one that I know some stores have been running is the 4.5-inch premium annuals, which is, you know, just a nice collection and good quality stuff. Our team really does a wonderful job in maintaining the plants.
Yeah, it's really all quality stuff here.
Thank you.
And this isn't a cutoff date for this. It's just going to kind of keep going.
And just segues on from week to week, different things. You know, kind of starting here as we come on into June, but it's just something that people really enjoy coming back, and sometimes just filling back in with some material that maybe didn't survive quite as well as what you had hoped in a combination planter that you've got. But there's a lot of things that are available in stump stores. It may be patio planters.
Yeah.
Just come in and check them out.
It just depends. And
Yes.
here, I mean, these are some of your more popular items as well.
Correct. Sweet potato vine is always a major one. Ipomea, as some would know. Cupia, of course, the number one petunia, literally, this is fact, in the world, bubblegum.
Wow, that doesn't surprise me. That's beautiful.
It's an amazing plant, very, very aggressive. You better have some space for that one.
Okay.
But no, it's just a great time to just kind of keep enjoying the fresh material coming in, and as our stores have their special, it's, you know, things that they enjoy selling and having fun with also. Yeah,
lots of fun going on here at the Cambridge location and all across the state. How can people find more information?
Always at Stutzmans.com, or go to questions@Stutzmans.com and get in touch with Jason, who does the Stutzmans Home and Garden Show every Saturday. If you have a question on something or you'd like to send a picture, what is this, identify, he's amazing at that. Yeah,
thank you so much for being with us today, Ben. Make sure you come check out the manager specials at any of the Stutzmans locations across the state. We'll have more on Good Day Kansas coming up next.